Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model S key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. It's a quick and easy task, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple maintenance will keep your key fob working reliably. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small seam running along the side of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves apart. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to avoid scratching or damaging the plastic casing. The two pieces should separate with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it from its slot. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test all the buttons to ensure they function correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those awesome leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.